The rate of electrical nerve stimulation through the skin. A. 10 to 70 cycle per second or hertz. B. 35 to 120 cycle per second or hertz. C. 50 to 150 cycle per second or hertz. D. 15 to 200 cycle per second or hertz. And the answer is C. 50 to 150 cycle per second or hertz. Explanation is, the rate of electrical nerve stimulation through the skin typically ranges from 50 to 150 cycle per second or hertz. This range is optimal for stimulating nerves and muscles without causing muscle fatigue or tissue damage. The specific frequency used may depend on the type of stimulation and the desired therapeutic effect. For example, higher frequencies may be used for pain relief, while lower frequencies may be used for muscle rehabilitation and strengthening. Overall, electrical nerve stimulation can be an effective therapeutic tool for a variety of conditions and injuries, helping to promote healing and improve nerve and muscle function.